Hey guys, today we're back taking a look at my pets. As we can see, I have birds. So, that's Max right there. That's C. That's that's Oreo down there. That's Mia right here. That's Happy. So, and these are my fish. See. Now I forget their names, but yeah, it's my fish. And the dog that you've all been waiting for. His name's Odie, and here he comes. When he hears his name, he comes. He's been barking in the background in the videos. Sorry, I should have done it without him. Say hi, Odie. No. Sit. 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 He's the loudest dog in the world, I think. He cries a lot, though. Here's the birds, which are the most entertaining. The dog's so loud, I don't know. He's barking now because I think he wants food or something. The bird likes to whistle, but yeah, these are my pets that are my current pets right now. Oreo. I named this one Oreo because he looks like the Oreo cookies because of his colors, but yeah, that's his name. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. These are my pets.